Say then go feel it. Say then go feel 'em. Say then go feel 'em. The next word, you know, here you go. It should be Kokambawa my life. Ebulungamu makwishra muma dire. Eburungamu ma yesterday ni ichekwa laputa. Did I tell you? I don't tell you. Udele onye nwe bariya ni yetu ono. What was my prophecy yesterday? I told you that Ijele de apota ehuna mo gopu mo na wine. Mana na okpu gwara gị na social media no they come to reality. I not tell you. Udele, I gave you my works. Asham ge eba na this place pota. What I go? Mana na owo mu na agbago okwu. Udele, you dey feel am or you know they feel am? The others, you haven't seen anything, no. Iga ganga, you will be sentenced to. You know, be talk, I know they make mouth. Iga ganga, igo enter. Una go see on your obodo less man na kakana where a pony lost son. Come poor na mume again. Let me prophesy again for na head. Make una get ready, yo. Udele is just a preamble. Omero. I'm a moon gonna bury. I get you. Nothing gonna happen to Udele. Udele go come out. Udele. Eburungamuma kona me burugamuma yesterday. I'm king of the ewu game. I don't want you. I can see all the love. I not tell you. Don't worry. You know, guys, I'm a bad one who demand. I go tomorrow. I say, you know, you say there is nothing like prophecy. I gave you a prophecy yesterday. I remember yesterday. Each another place I wish you know people that are on your case. I wish him on your case. As soon as you left that message, nah, make a call. Ma forward all the voice to the right authority. Hey, okay, when you come now, can who go call and release you? Udele, why don't you guys live? You know, in my too much hate. If I prophesy for that, una know the year. When I say this episode 3 months or 2 months ago, ne Bruna mama. One idiot put down the so-called people they are for months in the cardinal. Aputashi, make una go arrest. I may play the video today when I get home. Just follow them. When I go home, I will sit down to run this program. It's gonna be a sweet one, honey. Udele, yaru nega honanga. I'm gonna give her game many. I'm gonna know that mama for ndo tuki. Who know the power? Yaru nega honanga up to 6 to 7 years. If you don't get you go get you the matter. I'm gonna make you fake the banyam mini crocodile tears. I not tell you. They say, guys, there's so no mukairo no. Come to ta to where no akunsube. More of you are going to go down. That you know be see. If you don't have money, if you don't have connection at this matter, Go and rest because you got it too much. You guys have dealt the lion. Oh, this is even for coming into their life. They should thank me. Because someone with the brain behind their problem. And who know the brain on one. Another balance that could they talk and say no be me. Na me. You have tormented many people. It tormented like pop, maker. They couldn't do anything. Some men are working. Some men need to come and take the kind of heart where I get. They need to come and borrow them. They need to come and borrow. When they borrow them, they become real men. When not who work you think they joke. I know the reason why they call them because look at just a little trial. Imagine that they cannot enter the inside. All of them are sharia to be now. Who's the period? Huh? Sure, noise maker. Okay, noise maker. Open. Okay, let me block you. Get out. Get out. I will pin you again in a minute. This is not about open consus no chance with a deportee like Udele. A man who has no body. Who has no body. Even Shawari Jemon, Shawari want you. So make you know they use them. I know me inside you. If you go put a make Shawari before. We did talk, I never talk. Even anybody that is very intelligent will watch Shawari again and there's a picture. The man and I don't do where. I am again a book man a legi. I'm okay. I know you. I'm from get a book. I'm inside. I'm on people lawyer Nan the Kano winning case in Ishi. You went and withdraw Chinenwe account. We know when your account came back. We they want to retrieve it for you to Udele. Anime so get the kotawa initial monitor period, yeah. Whether it's gonna come out or it's not gonna come out. You know when you want to kill a rat, you first of all know monetary pose so sharp and a coach sharpta. You only who are these people that even following you and listening to you and giving you accolades like you're anybody? You are nobody. I'm a mugama. I can potaki shinike. Bagi call on sugar. Bagi with the disease ain't no potara. Because you are nobody. You are just a mount ranta and all this sumaburo. All this sumaburo now. Okay. Hey, when people I go misai. I go eat the patara the right track. I go Messiah, I go do this, I go do this, I go do this, I should not block anybody. Israel, if you tell me something I block now, you I go block next. Now you I go block next. The one you get to man Udele. Look at what I told him yesterday. Udele. Ijele potala. Ihuna will get you again. One more. I try me use Ozu. Almost, let me repeat it again. Look at what will happen to you. From this place now, you'll be reminded to court. From court, people, the gravity of the problem in community. People got to put down here, which nobody will come. Which nobody, because AGS said to get example, anybody will come and get the person. And from there, from court, nobody go back. I'm going to that place, you go be reminded. Now me, I tell you, anything what a son wait for your own. Here in a tiara, I'm just going to princess. Can you daughter princess problem? Because she has nothing to do with your rubbish. Remove princess from your matter. Under Jokuno can princess. Princess cannot save you. And she's not in your rubbish. I don't tell you, you don't know the here. Happy princess, she's a sweetheart. She has nothing to do with your mess. Not a pose a picture. Not a complicated issue. But the son, he got changa next time. But the son, he one illiterate. Your illiteracy is beyond comprehension. Your illiteracy is beyond comprehension. You know why? Erico Tomato. Because I stand to be corrected. How the guy, the lady commented, Yaganga, you still went ahead. The guy made a business circle. Igachanga, Gamatana, to be a learned person. People in healthcare. Do you know why that the residents have every right to fall. They have right to fall because they don't want you to take away all their rights. When a resident fall, you do documentation, you call their family, you do the necessary thing, and so be it. And then again, what were your measure for the residents not to fall again? You want to go? It's here like that. Somebody and other people. That's what I thought. Ebony son, you are the wasn't in where they matter. You don't get anybody. Your own is if you eat the Udele the kage, you get nobody. In my mind here, you are so daft to an extent. Ebony son, wait for the more havoc Ishigi. Wait for another criminal lawsuit. It's not this is the civil one, no. Igaganga. Next time, he will not tamper business and mother who spend billions of naira build. He may go like could you build the business. He got a business kidney problem. You will come and analyze it. If you guys don't use this now, if you don't cripple people financially, physically, and otherwise, the people will not know the pain of this life. Ndala. Ane beri shiyana ako. When you close mouth, Isiagu sheko. Okay, let me block you. Jennifer, come and get out of here. Now you go enter the 6 feet. You go enter 6 feet. As Jennifer, I know you before. I'm a maybe you know. I do this silly. Go and write your date down. Go get your cake in Jaka. You know, say Father and the cell gacha they make noise. There's no need of making noise. Because I'm me here maybe. Jennifer, I can feel your pain. This is not a king of useless game here. I prophesy to you, question I'm here. Ichena pata. Manana akaka jiroge. Udele. I told you. Go and watch my yesterday video. Ichena pata. I'm the mama because I told me that one naga transfer. Everything I'm gonna make you. Because I know. You know go enter. You know go enter. But again, you'll be reminded. You will go to court and dig a jail. Nobody will. You are a danger to the society. You can't. That was why I saved all your video. I was in that's your name when time to save your video. Now me be the original problem you go. I'm going to no more deport working in Istanbul. I'm going to save room my guy. When I tell you stuff, I don't know why people they still get just it. I know they go back. I'm so be and the can all of a sudden they are now a plugging idiot because you don't like church. Where is your sanity? Where is your what is your principles? Where is your works of ethics and life? What can you manage as a man in what decision? But like one idiot who came to my platform yesterday, I like you for this. This one I support. Come on, fuck off. Fuck off. So, you hate me. Anytime when I talk the one when I sit you hate me. But when I talk the one that you want your fight to get, you are a stupid person. So no man will shoot or come to reality. But when I know they come, because you guys are daft. When you see it, one is I'm a play that idiot. Actually, no Udele Naiga may arrest Udele. I had to share the thing to his platform. I just see Udele. I wish you know. I wish you know the necessary contact before a pito up. Udele portaling here without going in Gamano. And what nobody go even the kind of things I get nobody got even come up to do that. Because he ain't said to trap now. Share this video. Make I tell people when they say, make we go look for people. I get with the worst thing, you no go even come up to it. If you go up to it, is a trap to monitor you. So okay, game no hapu de la koga ngaya. Oga chaya putaya even Imana name understand. Udele, this is your end, and it ends when I'm a bagger yesterday. Putalamanana, who okay china bagoku. You don't go see black line. Now from there, I could not go to yesterday. Go and watch my yesterday program. Everything but I give me zero today. Mezuro. And of Nakala, Lalo. Now, neighbor, I do got to get out there. You think any minute I video call using or where Bukashan I give my back on egg. Okay, he's walking. So will become Nora. Make I take my break. Make I take my break. Idiot, E.T. Let me see who will call and come who go to the person. Come home. One game, Ishi. You get what on them. Next time, if you see face, you fear face. Even through this, your arrest, I'm going to come to the Batacha people. I never expected that I will know in this my life. Just of them are coming to Chicago. I will host them big time. And they bury Isiagu. I know him. Now they arrest poor people. Now the poor people they consist nuisance. Now the poor people they consist nuisance. If the big man mess up, they buy arrest. If the big man they make you up and they want again that you untouchable. And me full arrest. Anybody where nobody is above the law as far as the new law in Nigeria stand. You know what I go? Many them budu na my last month that him is one after another. Nobody, not be the people who say they be top or top notch. It not be them. And I thought say that so that don't be poor now. So today it don't be poor. Oh, he will come up to okay. Let's see now. If Udele come out without court reminding, go pum na mad. Udele will go to court to straight up. I gotta remind you, even what they call it. I think today is tomorrow I remind you. Then I remind the China, it's illegal for Ijele out. It's illegal for the terms and conditions. If you can come up with it, fine. If you not come up with it, you remain there. Which I know say you know they come up with shakem, and your name man you should share. Well, get the queen of the game. I want the game myself. What is the offense? Is the offense okay? Go and find out. Go to the Witches and Seven. What is his offense? By then they will explain more. Hey, what I go? And when you should invite police, I normal. I may not invite a gapotano. The line coming back no time soon. So I want to read those things, those terms and conditions. Ijele, you go and bear him. Epushilike. Abaramia is coming out, madam. And the same thing you talk about is common mission. Who talk about Isaac? All Chineke is already Isaac. Isaac no ga bam man. Matthias no ga. Omenala onyu oshino de bam man na ario biko. Ke emezi na ye emezie. This Hona Udele there's gonna this set now. There's no biko ni me. We don't need to arrest Banana. But Parana will be arrested soon. Mboma ihene mene. Parana mani hana aroyani shoge kuoku. Parana mani hana aroyani Ishi. Parana go no. Kona bago di ono. Imana ke Parana just Udele a leta pugo. Yana amare. Edere leta pugo. Parana na amare. Na amare ka awo. Na amare ka awo. Parara news. Why you like all these followers? Now then go fool you finish. Now then go free. Now then go they give you hope whenever existed in their life. Now then go they marry and then they give hope. It got to happen. There is a hope. We do this. Don't worry what will be happening on social media. Nothing is wrong with going to court. Not everyone who invited police. Come on, get out. Come on, Shinga for KK. Come on, Kweteregi with this your fake account. Nobody they see. Come on, Come on, Jerry. Haje confirm or what is his offense? Alright, let me block you with your fake account again. Bye bye. If you insult my boss, I block the hell out of you. Get out. You don't want it to be in my mix. Nobody insult her and get away with it. I heard that you. Yes, I don't want that. Oh yeah. Bye bye. If I wanted, you guys should be. I wouldn't do too much. Wouldn't do too much. You guys want to ngabase. Hey, what I go? Wouldn't want to ngabase. Can you tapu bunu? Ndari hage back pattern. Yeah. Udele will come out. No. That Udele was also exactly performing what he performed. That Emily invited a police station in Istanbul. Exactly the way he performed it. Okay, read my pin. Hold on. Okay, release much information. Just did. You're too pinning. I can't read it unless you unpin it. I don't mean then I'm we are with you. We are with you. When I brought out, you know, Mbachori emailed the arrest the first time. We don't know his exact address. I know I got followers. I know I got people that gives me information. I know I got it. That's okay. Let me post and request. One day within a minute, the person yana be onyana hunyate. As soon as you the right address with the laptop. Oh gosh, mambe, mambe. Go and report her. her. She posted my address. Go and report her. She oh, posting your address, you are crying. You are afraid. While in a post to people's information every day. And they post to your attire corner. Ebi na yari utuma boki. A post address again eti. Kehin etirigi. Ya gachi. Mambe. Onyoshi. Kuchiri enchi yogi. Enchi yoga la aruti oru. Ababa gachi. Apushena mogi. Masha, you don't enter a boat. How about I go that they had on your marriage send that I get the address direct to Amuge because I got Amuge. I'm game. Ishi, you know go. Picky West say mama don't go sleep, no go sleep. I'm one problem okay. Like I got on your bodo. I'm one game make I will end your career. And they pull me tanko get shot there. Next time, Ihunansobu you stay. You go present tamo. Continue to share my author. Udela. No can get my petition already on your head. By Ishi. Even if I share my the same author equilibrium. Be one Instagram. Be one to be negotiate. None my own self get need to get to 12 years imprisonment. None my eager put on a man. Okay, make give me try give. Eh? I put those videos I share the one at Telegram. On Telegram who my followers I send the channel everything. On your bodo. You have my auto, keep put the share up on Telegram. Oh. Now share on Telegram. This life for 2 days sweet oh. It is sweet. Udele, biawanu, mambe, all toya everywhere. Yeah, to. I go where all toya, mambe, to. Okay, don't release much information on Udele. I don't release it. Nagba how elu. Nagba, mambe, amurimbe. You come and prove. Eben nam no rape omu. Eben nam no be mamu imbe. If you don't prove it. Udele. Mambe. I would be dashing, but this useless information, my mom. Ege ku onne ki munumbe o wonna ki munimbe. Gene 1 year. Onye 1 year in just bare Christmas. With gene 1 year. About the gravity of crime Udele has committed. Gene 1 year. Na 1 year. Before Udele huna break lighter. Ma wode na ma ejechana the jail ya survive well. No. Hey, cheap pilot too. Can somebody when the bola horn for cheap pilot? Why? He cannot be arrested. Oh, when a connection within there, he can't be arrested. I can't be arrested. I got a boss when you're on a police. I be about on okay. Oh, we onya sir. Okay, sir. Okay. Don't put a bunch of mata. Don't put a bunch of mata. Sia le kudela. Mupotamasia. Udela papanji para. No got it off for you, papanji para. Yet away. Udela. Yeah, but oh God, if I know where you, if I know kill you, make her die, you save them. When they were playing Udela today, you know there, when they were playing those videos, I was happy because I was listening. The man had chicken, they killed the good morning. The man know the man know they even chala. The man know they even chala. Just say, hey, shh, talk when I ask you to talk. This is not social media. Shh, this is okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, I thought you want share like that. The Konya na maga. There's like this. They very. That's it. But shut up. Yes, sir. Share, So marry now because of umota toa. Uma channel bodo no 24 bring a 1 room for selection in ebu. She nandoka problem, huh? The ones who I want idiot to know England. They remember what the video you play. One annual heke. In fact, annual heke are beyond imagination. Now, particularly in a life food day, like one old stupid idiot. But should I know England on the pole? One a layer. The work with the yes. Yeah, you see what I'm saying? Who do you follow? Who do you observe information? Who do you listen to? The king. Came on, but I can't call the king. King call king on it. Madonna Sapa has to Turiane. King call, but I can't call king on it. Or would you deport him? Or one on Istanbul survivor? King call the game. King call win the game on it. King go with a monster on it. Or one lot of Trabano way uru. Go one lot of the useless thing no marriage the port wire. King go about what the king on top of the game. And there is soon. As I'm game man, people on a case you know. Case you know. Who trouble like this, who get you. In fact, who got gala wonima, who got chance to go and swallow me. Can go Jonah. Azuloro remember. What I go? At the reach out, I go sit down. Go buy your data. Go buy your data. Okay, many issue no fool. If you not complete, I no go rest. Now maybe the ginger. I'm bad. I'm mean. I'm too mean. Too mean to a fault. Makachi. I'm too mean. Everyone a line problem. We no main problem. Hey, I wish people are so get to know in Chicago. Ask people that know me full well. I don't take rubbish. That's what respect I go give you, but do not take it for granted. If you know long, what time? Because when you know your right, you stand on it. Fame. One boy, when I should know again, I'm if you allow these people to oppress you, why am I a citizen? Why do I pay taxes? Stand on your right, print it out, show you remember what the main corporates. The main and now poor there. Oh, you mean date here, record day on my notes, now my iPhone notes, everything, I will write it, put it. Because I'm the sugar, I will stop putting it date and time by time. Dala. I mean, what I mean, you could ever imagine. Ige go otoma laps ma he hunu turn on ya to telegram. Ige ga shi keshi. Onye obodo, de kela yo. De kela ya. Imane laburu alabu. You went in. As soon as you na laps up to like game. Ige kuda ige puta that court to declare okay you wanted. Onye obodo, I wish you know. I wish you know. I wish you know. Awe baro, akwara Udele, I wish you knew. Okari Ijuwa yo face la does on a face. Ndala. Troatono. Ebe akazayana. Akuchi the idiot okay. My sister name. My Asha adan name she die. You're no longer man enough to stand on the fame you started. You will see man enough to stand. I come now on about and desire your name and I check and desire man elite. Imakuna kubuguso Wall Street. Imakuna kubuguso Wall Street. Buguso bateko. Baego. Buguso Wall Street. J school. We graduates. Me masters ya. And I koeli. Ndesa na acha ana push on ya ndesa man ele. Gini po patara mo kumuna. Is it not Zion people? Is it not because Hashem happy go biaka? Konyo la me wenke. Leave this man alone. As soon as I say on lap some guy baputa. You go ige. Oh God. I wish. I mean, let me stop here. Let me stop here. Can you face go the car? You go feel him. He go feel. He go feel ya. I don't need that. I need that. You won't have barakariam. Nobody go sit on your case. You go feel him. Una go feel him. Next time. Onu get a matter that's each on so. Don't accuse people what they never did. Don't get yourself involved when you don't know nothing. That you know that is not recognized by the court. I see a video with you. No, but the mona give me see fe no boda. Mona give me see fe. Makachi kere mona ge. If I leave you, make a bed. Make a bed. De la channel Mariano. My men trap. Man of the Panelushi Chega home. That's what I'm getting a pota. Udele if you enter come out. To man know who I'm but I got the whole and I have complete. I guess you go, you go come out. Man a leggy. You go, you go come out. Udele go, Udele go come out. Guys, because nah, I only get one accident and this Oporama. I'm gonna take a easy. The girl don't even sabi drive. They overtake Coca-Cola bus. They know. Get you some mama the Saturn. Another barrier. Okay, I make this because I didn't be done at this stage. I make go to this one. Can you the Saturn? The money yana barrier. Like I told her, ya go and save. Ya get herself fucking prepared. Okay. I'm gonna go very sure go no ga la doctor. You know you now. You know I want my koshi. Iye mere na mataya si make because when I did that one way problem she ako. Why did you accept the apology? Why? Why not remind this idiot to straight up to court? That's okay. Okay, boss. And it not go happen again. That was the only chance. Ya make boss or man or woman. Oshe Rush Bata. Who is this one? Who is this one? Make also no go happen again. That's the end of discussion. Nda musu. Ebony son, I don't video. Even people we are sending it to me. I been on a criticize na ko manya wicked. Iga be proof ya. Iga be proof wo ka manya madi begi mere. Investment madi begi ti billion. Kisho no we kidney problem. But his son, even Safi, even I can't do more than about Tonya. But the son, is see your own, eh? You see your own. At least somebody got to feel. I'm Sonia sharing tomatoes, Megan. Happen. Leave who? You got on me, Hamana Boba. Dala. You go feel him. This is my daughter's phone. They quit or to spoil people's business, to spoil people's hard working thing. No, gala. That 2019 no, Oga go. You don't go. Oga go. You don't pass. Even man dey no obodo Igbo very soon chapter kunu ga ebido. Chapter kunu nde bido no obodo Igbo na kpọ akụ onye oshi nke emena very soon na all go start. Ka emecha ndeka gawago because Nigeria ga ekpe ikpe ha ọsịsọ mgbe a chọrọ sentence gị to iganga. Ikpe ha na take time. By then ebidozie nke unu ndị ala. Ana ebere ishi ya awa. Sunday. Guys, just children. I don't know. I do by him. Come on, I got you there. You are the king. You are the king of the game. The son of one. I'm gonna need to go there. I gotta from court to Emo de la chohi me yesu maya. No. Actually, okay, because noise had to go too much. No matter the better training. A good park. A good sound training. Noise had to too much. And hallelujah. Una report the video, but so not. And hallelujah. Ya no ye too. Na home pokro views. Ye channel madro no there. Man on the robot without no action. Bunch of touts, bunch of Omenala dry weathers, dry skin on the spiritual Christianity. Uno did you like the look how many una day? Christianity. Keza haya una the G coy, una the G confused. Can't even host common 20 people like that. Look at Ebukobi. Ebukobi got Enugu. Look at crowd. On a form Enugu himself. Get the power get the board where on a day. Only Facebook susu. Na ranti are ne susu are. Na ranti. Oshagen. Okay, go and sit down. You can't do anything. Okay, let me block you. Noise maker. Oh yeah, bye bye. You're not for here. Better for happen down Ezuzu. Maka church. Hey, Maka church now you so no Isiagu Nnamdi Kanu. Just Maka church, you don't believe in what churches are doing. You believe in I guess switch over because you like about church. You have become Udele fan all of a sudden. Never anyway. Oh, talk organize. Talk on because I'm uno jikwe because now 1 or 2 persons shingaza on the way go no make una no worry. Let's deal with this. That we will protect you. I wish you know. Oh no, man. How many? I don't even want to talk deep. Let me just shut up my mouth. But the action, three talks is that the action you gotta tell on now. Would do. The action go the action. I know if you will laugh because I'm tired. This tomorrow. I got mad at my time. My talk is every go the week. Of course now. Chineke just run no muma join here to support Ebukobi because a weapon I can name happen. She happen get it. happy gere. And I she happy. In our daddy she happy. She had been in daddy, you are not among ourselves because they were on buaranya mama. Because porn this our side, it has nothing to do with you. Daddy. Happy. Mama, yes, so daddy with get as how you get our mama. Yes, we they stubborn. We they very stubborn. I am getting lazy. Gamondara, Mondi, Shia, Monday, Monday, she okay, Ozule. What I go? Enough of rubbish. Bari I dig too much. Bari I dig too much. Ejim Muslim people, man, you can't insult their own. You can't insult their own. I am Udele na Attire Ozu. Why can't you guys insult were bute keza and the Muslim JP but what hand of fasting gabiashe work them against them. But you know man a Christian delay, that's what I was trying to explain to them. Or does it mean that the power God doing and need to fight our own battle now this earth? We also leave it for God to fight for us. Common sense. Two arms and two legs. That we know that okona fofo or meaning ademma. You know? Can't we do it our own and actually happy your God to fight for you? The Muslim on a happy God to have fight here for them. They take the laws into their hands every day. Okay, don't tell them much. Let them continue to see how it's unfold. Of course. When much I doesn't know, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shut up. Make sure no shut up. Enough of you. Your nuisance has become unbearable. Did this person mention? Have you ever seen him talk to you? No, sir. But the people that go to, how do you know that they go to his church? Can you identify one of them in the church? Come and see. Brilliant question. No, anyway, no need of talking too much. Take that thing inside. Take it over. Transfer him. Yeah. Oh me. That was only na share. Ebe an around Oche 10,000, above 85,000 naira, 2,000. Yeah, baka share like this. Baka share that, okay, when I say pesa. Okay. I just listen. The ban on that, Udele na wuro mini okpu. Mini okpu. Guys, children, I get room do yo. I'm gonna report my video Chineka born now come. And when I get home, may sit here down or bia gist. See how would the answer? Yes, sir. Oh daddy, but this is this, but this Hey, joy. This was sweet. They laugh. Not because of already too much. I can be put out. Oh, what can you put a don't worry, I'm coming later. The like don't watch my yesterday program. Ijele put a balalo or pay the barago. He check out he go but he got sign on the thing he got sign he got before that thing the scenario tabiko he show the boss and people name that load of video say is anybody well run anybody will give up na mama toto he say now what you talk he say is that what you said? They asked him, who told you to post our invitation? They were even asking down who told you to post our invitation online? So you want to send armed robber to us? You want to send threats to us? Yes, no, sir. Who told you? See, they were so mad. Who told you to post our so you which are law against that? You can't post some anyway. Abuja matter because when touts are doing stuff, they do it out of ignorance. They do it out of not knowing the rules, the laws. I told you. I told you can check the reality. See, I was getting in a denial yesterday. They are afraid though. They got more cuts, got more suits. Now this is the it would I go promote a petition, I go promote petition on your head. I go promote petition. People they mention those churches, so they mention them on my page. I go promote petition on your matter. People will submit petition. Tire. Oh, Udele. If I don't promote petition on your head, make a payment. Okay, the person in a timeout. How the Kenyan a timeout? Or should I get him again? I go put his reply, the idiot. Or should I rely for now? Idiot. E.T. E.T. Pataka E.T. Come on, Chigafo. Eating pataka. Come on, Shinga for it, son. I told you go film. Happy ya idiot. Block or the idiot. Block or that annoyer. Block him. Hiya. Get out. Block you. Bye bye. Block him. Idiot it. Dala. He go film. He go film. I not tell you. Say, you go film. Udele, you go film. Get in the blue horn now. And I bought here. He go film. Got police up on everywhere. What's happen? One day one accident. Another one accident. Say you go feel it. Expose them again. Get a guy named Miss. Oh, one accident here. Jesus. Hey, I'm quite fatal accident. No. Don't be small, though. Jesus. This cab. Hey, I'm calling you Nigeria because I'm the Nigerian now, Bakare. How could the land name Nuche expose? Urula and Kan on a come expose. Make on feel the thing. No, Kwajibo accident to Hopara. Hey. Oh, wow. No wonder police is general here. No crazy accident too. Women I won't go on Juju everywhere. Nande Kujaparibe Wakuja here. Say then go film. Then go feel it. Say don't go feel it. Wow, you know, but I had to be careful. When they just button no, ya wahala. Say then go feel it. Come on, I request you to join. Oh, Daisy Empire. It's been a while. Oh, we never talk. Hello, hello, Daisy.
Hello, Ochi.
Alpha.
You
don't say, you know why?
My mom, there are so now hurry up and down with her.
Oh, your mom will be
Some check up and control my massage, man. The beach, so before I
know. Oh, deserve you, Joe.
How you doing? I'm to call on a platform because all the bigger. Can move voice of a platform, I can
hear program, but
no, it's not. It's okay. Here to read does that support to Chukuka from all over the world. Yeah, they are bully pastors and ministers with picture how to shimenke bukobi. See now got a court Ishi Hanaka Zion. Unu na kriaka. Please enter flights. Or even a Facebook idea abo cha na. By the flights now. Go on Abuja. Flights like Lufthansa now from anywhere in Europe to Abuja will cost you about economy where 2 point something million
exactly.
Now. Okay?
Exactly.
Economy. So enter flights, or if you don't want to enter flights, gather that flight money now. Send it to him because only the regular I'm gonna get me bell from first headquarters. I will thank Kobo. He needs a lawyer, good lawyer. And then the guy guarantee ya shorty ya
exactly the word I was looking for.
Servant I go my position I need na bell na force headquarters. Unu jikene gawadia. We don't want noise on social media. Okay? Because I've been begging you people to stop cyberbullying. Unu si Ishi Empire. Now, na Facebook. Since last year November, December, I told you people when you people were calling Okro a criminal, so when you Okro Razuregia, Ono Ghana UK police got report all the case officially. Exactly. Now we must saga na Facebook. That is where MDB do on your jaw na Facebook because I stood against that fight. Even though I had personal problems with Okro, I overlooked the personal problem because I got to join us with him and Omegi. Join the crowd because after reviews.
Exactly.
Oh, on your jaw. Respect Igbo. I called you guys nuisance because we were constituting nuisance on Facebook. All of you in the UK, rich men and women in the UK, I will poor people, I in Europe. Please gather your money. Ken, anything about Ken. Our brother Ken, you've forgotten him. You guys were clapping and supporting him to do what he did. To the extent that Waja put on Facebook, you're because what do you send the return kobo for Ken? What do you send the regular account? They respond because of what? See him again on Facebook on Koreaka. Ijele Europe, my brother, only show face here na Facebook, na my page, na my program. Man, on my program like this, not in Europe for the first time. I say, okay, Ijele, I'm in Austria. You can come to my place, okay? Let's see one on one. No, this guy after on Facebook, so now him Jamie invite now Google no go be piamo now he invite. A married woman living with her husband that wants to invite you in her mansion with her husband. When he was saying it, everybody wants to be popular with Saga. Every from Nigeria. Okay, Mecharuta abroad.
Abroad, not bad. They won't listen.
Hey, yeah. Oh, everybody need
they have vowed their lives. That broad will next. And I what I also
remember only Zion USA branch donated 1 billion naira. 1 billion. I won't see with Zion. Gary had 1 billion. Case also he records case now all over the world.
Let me tell you one thing. Nani one single-handedly trillionaire. We don't need to get involved. That we have told him now. That you don't know how to go down and stay your day. Stay your day.
Obukobi should not come out to do preaching and say help for anybody.
Oh, we don't tell him.
This time around.
Like you. Muna not again, but we are Christians. We have
a chat on a group on Zion Island. How much have a lot of people from phone number and they might published in a Facebook without their consent. Families, responsible families, mama hold the number, say, I hear number, imagine people's private personal number on our Basaga in case you have a news where you are publishing on Facebook without their consent.
Yes, his own is coming.
Inside that in the island, you think you will not be dictated. No, now the connection, the conversation with the numbers, not at the group. Only one conversation with the police will not trace it. One after the other. One after the other is coming.
And mark it down. You know, be say with it.
Edukobi that people go to him. People 500,000, 200,000, 300,000, 100,000. Guy be do business. Una they mention on that one. Oh, go Buramuma. Uno tag Ishi. And when Edukobi say one in mad no give me no mugi hene bugi. It was the children that decided to hate their mother.
Thank you.
Ishi. No one does a family.
Matthias because he's coming back. He's coming back, but I check what I can. Matthias Olola.
Nobody is going to do
I don't want to talk too much.
But
they want so to this small. Matthias Olola. His own is coming back again to surface again.
How long Ndi Igbo make because I know Nigeria KJ all the teacher I'm saying okay Senegal welcome there from Senegal Lotawa Nigeria because that guy got involved this small some of you know na UK millionaire. They push science in Facebook every day. 3 million naira is nothing. 2 million anyway. Who know where they are from? That can. Who knows on Facebook? I talk to men anyhow. I don't talk to my husband like this.
Hello, man of God.
You're welcome, sir. Okay, man of God. Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
I
surrender to Zion. I stand with Zion. I don't want the list. I surrender.
It's already Diana by force.
Zion will move. I stand with Zion forever. No, nothing will change it. I don't want to go to prison.
If you don't beat them, you join them. With a choice.
I have joined them automatically. I am the member of Zion. We move.
Saga. Anybody push the saga man.
Please, now you collect your wife. Oh, yeah, I know. You go to collect your wife.
I got prison. Get one day.
I was no time. I don't waste time. That is my job now. If you go to prison, we collect your wife. Zion will move. We stand with Zion forever. We collect your wife.
Is she getting a test?
Ask him, thank you for him, man. For to the people who social media. Thank you for him all this while. Thank you.
Oh gosh, when I never see anything. Now me when I go home, I put na matter the Ishi channel one.
Even at this go, I know where can say I'm I don't need you. When you say I collect your wife, you're him now. When I get the city, we collect his wife. So because Zion will move, we start with Zion.
Zola Bitters is coming. I may make my state to announce very soon. My state on Zola Bitters. Uncle Chubam, I going for I think I going for 15 million no Marco Chaya this week. Uncle Chaya my own money. May my state announce. My money remaining 15
Angola. Angola.
So I going for 15 million.
Igbo men bịa ha bụrụ oche nọrọ na Facebook. A ga na-describe private part ụmụ nwaanyị as if no ihe eji eri nri. A commit atrocities and na-akụrụ niile aka. People are afraid of showing their photos on
Facebook. That is his job.
This guy police today. This guy police today.
How you doing?
People are not on them content.
Bitters to the world. My Zola Bitters.
Queen of all queen.
Come on. You're welcome. I second.
This guy is on a police custody now.
I have Ijele now.
What are you talking about? Only Ijele I'm putting on Facebook today. Immediately, I'm a program. That's why immediately she from zone 7. I
know my call. Now, Udele yes, sir. Yes, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir. Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. I know
King of the game.
Think of the game. Just shut up. Shut up. That's yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shut Yes, she found here. Just look at this.
And when
because so
Because zero Bitters is coming. I may make my state announce. I think by next week. May deposit to Chegum. Imana and a joy send they go to America and they give small. So I'm send the Chegum by next week.
She'll give you the whole southeast though. Oh, but not even south in so
that's with the one state. One state can win it because
one state. Because she way East.
We get 50 million down. It's not thinkable. You put 50 million down to carry. It's not thinkable. Hey. They got on ya. 100 million come with one state.
Nobody can say
Ijele for the 9 years. On 9 years in a prison. 9 years here.
Thank you.
My
boss, chere. Preaching ni lenye ke kushi Ibasaga. See now plan Ibasaga
for because na account nwere problem.
Yes.
Mana saga nke mma apụta maka Ijele. Ijele. Aga m apụta maka Ijele. Ana m Abuja kita alive. Ijele na statement hit na agba ya na akpa amụ. Na agba ya na ampi. Na agba ya na mmadụ mara mbe. Agba ndị isi ozi ya dobe 500,000. Come dobe. All the Ijele put that 3 days. We need the money.
Okay.
Also, the Ijele got put that over the fantasy in 3 days time. See, Bamo, check each other. 10,000 na account. Now $1. Then where she? obi na oge echi sure. Mba o mere ofi na oge wa sure. Forces. More than 30 petition. Forces. Na bia against Ijele.
That is the small. Many more are coming.
Oh, well,
that is the
I told me man I on social media. I told me
they don't know what is happening.
Yes. You know that woman here because stop calling me. That woman stop calling me because Ijele. Stop calling me.
For announcements.
Ijele there. Ijele here the highest 24 hours. Next place look at weapon on the ground. On the ground.
I get you there remind there to court.
Oh yeah, we court and the court we have a adjournment 2025.
2025.
Ọ ga-ama na mmadụ karịrị ibe ọwụ dị ihe nyanwa gị nwa your suit bụ small na ndị suit gara onye a churches suit gara onye a not behind. I want to see all their sponsors and all their supporters. Oh, when I was crying the voice, I didn't see her. I don't know. Sim J Park relax. Na crying on now. No Ganabia. Mbende na corona got torn. Say bye, congratulations. Okay, Erugo. Ijele. Even kita afford na live video na apology. Man, Oga, you cannot just come and whatever. Whatever. Survive or dead. Survive or dead. Please forgive. That is why I love Uncle Zion till die. If Zion did not have somebody like Attire, Zion, by now, they for rubbish them.
Swear to God.
In their life, every evening as they pray, Chineke me muta nwozo, mma muta radio the rocket. Rocket. Ị ga-abụta oge na-enye ngwa niile nsogbu onye chọọ nkasi jet wenga onye na-asị Akụzaya I don't want to see in the southeast afọ ga-agị Akụzaya nọkwa na aba na-akpagharị people na-ekwe ebido na-celebrate na-akwa ịkwụ ụgwọ butere anyị mmanya anaghị alụ galabant pandan. People are rejoicing for promoting disunity n'ala Igbo a na-akụrụ ndị Igbo aka nke a bụ nke anyị kwụsị nke anyị. Does Ndi Igbo can they want to kwado disunity n'Igbo? You do your Omenala in a Omenala and fine and good. Do your Omenala and go away. In a Mocha, go and do a Oka and go away. Pastor Bamidele na Yoruba Land. Ndi Igbo. I share the video. You see, I look at this man from Yoruba Land. Also now highest 10% of Yoruba will keep this nonsense in the Igbo. Now let me shock you and okay. One useless blogger na Yoruba Land just there about David Lukoye. Yeah, false news. That day, Okuriha case we able to prison straight. As I speak to you, that one 9 years imprisonment.
Did you see?
Mountain of fire. Was what they put, but legal team may take it lightly. A Bure straight to prison. In his next word, I come and came I'll give you Ijele. I go mock Ijele from now till Udele. One day one see here, boss, Buffalo. Now, one on that bridge, no relay. People were snapping him. No relay, by two, or relay, Ejarabadia, or relay, Sugari up and down. Somebody that cannot be proud enough to go to his village and make video. Oh, I just the pity bloggers in Ndi Igbo. Have to say, no, yeah, fight. What are you fighting? Somebody you are supporting Nnamdi Kanu, and person that wants Nnamdi Kanu dead. Can I support? Can I support? Are you not, the person is
The people
a big fool.
governor is here. Mama Chori join camp. Oh, they only Chori join the people's governor that okay should bring you in camp working we get better, okay? Just write it. Okay, better.
There's a gap.
Join me.
Gahapụ.
Join ya people's governor. Request ya ka m abịa gị.
Governor
Request ya ka m abịa gị.
available flight abịa Abuja. That Ijele must be rubbished. He's a fool.
Onye na-aga nga. Onye na-aga nga.
Agwara m akụ na Ijele nwa anwa pụta there. I give up. I swear. Why would you put there?
Cheregodi. J Park. Mgbe ihe a na-aga, you know what I did. Kwe ma eme. Agwara m achị. Oh, badi. Ọ dị ka man ha na-ahụ akụ eche na akụwu soft pedal.
Ị na-ekwu akụ anti can correct ya gị. Ama ha lawyer gị. They don't know your lawyer. Some more the man. A rugged Edo man. Anybody maybe I connect here with the man and that's it. Not after one a month. Say I thank God make him arrive. Edo rugged lawyer.
I never.
As I speak to you, the man from hand to hand like this. Agent and case Suleiman on Friday.
I not tell you. Oh, when you want to J Park in them, I not tell you. When I don't tell you.
Hello, again. Thank God I know the guy now. What's that? Anybody immediately petition. I got one again. Now
I don't tell you. And I mean, I want to J Park. She had cool low down. I am mini last. I will like he gave me. These tears you shared last, I will tears they got share for knowing me. You will never share tears again. This is your end of tears. You get back again in J Park. Lekwa, go and meet this person.
Oh, what egwu? I don't know, Maz. Egwu ara egwu reggae. Egwu abo. You gonna hold this year. It's gonna hot this year with Ijele. Ijele got concrete.
Mgbe m gwara gị that kpọrọ dịka this man kpọrọ gị ka ị ga meet Suleiman right to hand. She go onye awo
I made birthday Suleiman on Sunday.
Dude.
And you know what he means? Oh, kwere m ntọ ye Suleiman say take I sacrifice.
Mgbe m gwara gị chere J Park as far as say matter this man you have met the
Baba ni wo ndo Omenala. Somebody bando ka ime na ewere ihe ọma. God blessing and abundant blessing. Connection. Ọ bụrụ na na-agba wo Omenala mana Bishop aha ama. Bishop ya like eji ntị anụ ihe ọbụla gbasara dibia. Ị na-eme dibia ọ tụọrọ gị gap sị na agba ọgwụ.
Dawara onwe gị.
Ijele must go to prison.
Ọ ga-aga nga.
Come mere donation. Ọ ga prison.
Anya ni donation. What are you even saying? Not the command ndị nọ ihe a na-azụ. Which donate? Anya
ni maka na o nwere ndị iwe na-ewe na Abuja na-aṅụ emere afọ na nwa na mmụọ nsọ. Ijele bịagodi Abuja ka enwude gị n'aka. Somebody that insulted all the whole Ndi Igbo, insult Ojukwu, insult Nnamdi, insult everybody. Ka ndị blogger na-akpọ enyi. And the blogger that they praise.
All of a sudden, how do you know see Nnamdi Kanu is their savior? All of a sudden,
Agwara m Ijele na ihe ọbụbụ king of prison, ọ bụ king of the game. King of prison. Onye na-enye king of the game, who dash monkey banana?
Hello?
Ijele ga-atala.
Abọtụla ya Ijele, aha ya Udele.
Ewe n'iwe Udele, king of prison. King of prison.
From today, a boy in a prison. From today,
Ijele And I comment on a page, or ex-convict, straight.
How many times? Okay, who ex-convict? How many times? Now
Oh,
Istanbul one. Now, so what are you saying?
oh, with a bit, oh, with a comedy in drop, or that. I guess. Chineke, Ijele ya talaraka.
Petition, Kamshi. If you don't have direct contact, how to submit it, contact JPAC or contact me.
Hey.
We will direct you to the normal page, to the appropriate authority where you will submit it.
Oh, yes, when you decide to fight grace, grace will disgrace your life. I want to see.
Oh my grace.
I want to see them.
Oh my grace.
Emere nke ole kita as na hit na when na akpa and the petition oye debụ 92 pages for petition. Petition na tomorrow morning ka edecha petition. I ọnọkọta ọbịa ozugbo were one hour dey ihe o mere. Ọ ga-asụbido oyibo and ara agụ ole ọ ga-asụbido next week tomorrow.
Avoid the Hegebuga police in Nigeria. Only 4 supporters Abuja.
Major on Azuba cyber stalking. Over defamation of character, cyber bullying, character assassination, even all the
threats to life.
Threat to life.
Kita, they will know that Nigeria police are working perfectly.
Yes.
Perfectly. Congratulations to Nigeria police.
Nigeria police is the best.
Make our body.
Hello, good.
I go see the Joe Fuebini and because this guy has threatened Ndi Igbo for years.
I'm this thing, I'm that thing again because I'm again. Please.
So when did I hear you?
Again. Because I'm gonna go there. I'm on our phone. Please, I try that kind of talk. Get him Chineke now. Because what for some important discussion? I beg. Because thank you. And when see, when people got destroy Yagi and felt like all we had saga. Felt like all I got buputegi by the Zashana Biko. And we would tell you cannot come up and make up story. You couldn't remember me, what they call it, national water happened, some put on your but the have one telegram. Udele have one telegram. You understand what I mean? Name a play group, auto gate, I Udele don't even know what is ahead of him. You know? Now these people are so that's Chineke. Nelu watch an atom. Now they call me on nonsense when you should not. Became time. I know all these internet work on a couple anyhow. You know?
Network today. Nigerian network.
Udele is above arrest. So you're gonna make arrest. Nobody will arrest the king of the game.
Come back.
Hello?
Network, yeah. This network so much.
I'm not the network with the don't be selling today.
Jeff, where are you? Come back here.
Network in the guy so well.
Outside grace, so
King of the game. Sweat. Nobody's already king of the game. King of the game.
Let me deal with him. Let me deal with her. This guy can. This guy don't even be well. Not gonna laugh at anybody. Anything. You all not be able to or
Imbecile. Onye pụtara na oge echi na m nwere imbecile.
I hope not add somebody and the petit. It's just anything.
Na mpa bụ repụrụ mụ.
And a petition.
For what, okay? Hey, my wife for you. Okay, you put on imbecile ọwụ mmụ. Pụtakwa na ebe mpa m nọrọ repụrụ mụ. Ebe Chineke.
Ha news as ha say nna ana m akparị ụmụ nwoke ndị Igbo.
Who are the men? Who are the men? Kenda abụrụ nwoke, which who are they? Ka ebe ha nọ? Wow. I see they ask, who are the men?
Unu jikere we witnesses. Ya jikere unu ga-aga Abuja. Even if you want to promote somebody, somebody you can easily stand and say, like somebody like this J partner, responsible people will come. Call on a phone, say, no, leave this guy. Allegation they put against him is not correct.
Who are the men?
People can stand in for you. Nigeria, anywhere in the world can call for you and say, somebody like Kultur. No matter the allegation,
nsogbu mgbe m bịa bịa tụọrọ ndị mmadụ ilu kọwara ha ịma na ego eji lụ ndị m nara n'iyi agwara ha sị ya ị chọrọ ịgba saga ọ bụrụ decide na saga ka iji eri nri ma mbọ nwee san inwee san inwee kọntaktị
atụoge mma join gị kpọọ champagne this afternoon. Aka kpara udene. Ete
udele.
Ete must na onye nwe Nigeria.
Eze kudele.
Okudele na onye nwe Nigeria.
Ma na parents udele na-ere akara na Ọnịcha na Awada.
That guy caused to go pains to so many Igbo people. That guy caused to go so many pains. People, if more ever when you about someone but some things on a kunonia, some things on a kunonia. Inọkọta monya okonye Igbo ka onye Hausa wee.
O nwere egwu ị gara agụrụ m n'abalị a ma na-aṅụ nkwụ. Egwu a bụ ndụ ka mara iwu ka anyị taba okporoko na I want to resurrect the spirit of saga in me.
Ọkwoje ese Ebuka Obi chee na Ebuka Obi atụpụrụ ya ọnụ mana ọgbacha mgba na nke a ọma na Ebuka Obi karịrị egwu.
O nwere comment m na-achọ ịfụ. Achọrọ m ịfụ comment of his followers. Ọ ya chọrọ ịfụ
Which followers? Onwe followers.
Thank you to choir.
Onwe followers nọ ndị na-akwanye kita ọba kita onda nini na-akpọ followers ya onwe ya apụta. Even ndị ugwu oche na o nwere onye ngwa one day si ya na that guy che na ndị ugwu na support ya but mgbe aka ya kwara ọma na ndị ugwu ebigo n'ugwu Hausa ka amụ m before m bịa US a. N'ugwu Hausa ka amụ m ndị ugwu gị na ha ya hụ friends but ha chọọ ka ị na-achọ ada like ka ị na-achọ okwu.
Thank you.
I don't like it because Haman had a joke. Ndugu, the very nice, the nicest people. Manu Udele na Nandugu support Nandugu. Iya na kwani ya koje Oya no na prison. Oya can Nnamdi Kanu no na prison.
Hey, Abraham ya gbati dela. Ona ya wish Nnamdi Kanu. Ị ga-anwụ nke gị ga-anwụ bịa.
He made a video about it. Oh no, my hand. Okay, so about Togo. Go hide there somewhere in Togo.
Which Togo? Togo do so now. I just from Togo. Togo no Molu Kaya Djibouti from Togo.
Ebe me a video yet now all this their normal video. Man agbaya.
I watching the last video Marina in a Kumaku the Natana. Yem ne ekpere but I agwa but man no nanti no nangurugie. Up from the thing yesterday. Now I got through Facebook this morning. Where people could not see. Oh, even my wife and see my wife. It's a that guy and I put the nangurugie. If no, how this boy now so.
Very useless woman.
How this guy now
very useless. Very useless.
Somebody among my that guy who like no more na.
He has no job.
Mother put he just say banam is same mother na ba okay. Opo no we have anything no zo ya that ebuko bi o say they arrange ma de kuru no na express.
Fraud, no fraud.
No fraud. Ndị begin na-eje ọrụ ị na-azụ na ọbụgodo na 5,000 motor fare 5,000 motor na fare ndị na-eje ọrụ ndị na-eje their business. No.
See you there. This is your end. This is Hana. See what the one get garret. Or in that to much okay. Don't worry.
Odogu na compare iya eji we pe igbe.
Ya cool down.
Ima na ana agbakọrị assist oneto na onwe video mere ọ na-asị na no be Abuja we go now. Oga go Nikitan.
Video that they put address. How many know that address?
Yeah, I saw the video everything here the address.
Send the chat and the thing I hear you say direct. I was looking for his passport. I mean, like this. No, we didn't need it like this. She wash case clothes. Udele cannot travel anywhere again. As I speak to you. In Nigeria, Udele cannot go. No, Udele, I got my picture. I come from I'm happy woto.
Another person I am Matthias the little
Matthias is coming, but I actually share this once.
Matthias so phone we me Matthias. Another one with Matthias I have a Korea
nobody goes nowhere.
Another person Matthias.
My other Matthias will be back again.
Matthias, I will love it. No, year 2 years. He's first.
How they go too much?
In a moment, only came moment, only like only can accuse my comment. You men and in Amaho.
Dala. And I see it. Now see it. Now I tell you about. Hey, I got it. I mean, when I put a packet. If I'm not going to give make when I write it down.
My case now. Your pastor.
The family is Sunny Mengal. He got 15 minutes in Menga.
Nkana munye I'm
ọ ga-ata million.
I'm so happy. I'm so happy now. This singing that this night in Jeta Patana mma kpogodo ezigbo mmanya n'isi isi
No,
udele ka
because I got an apple when I did get with how many years sentence. Yeah. I'll tell you what it's not Ijele.
mba ka m bidogo kịta na-aṅụ because ọ na-eku at least ọrụ ahụgodo ebe a two nights ọma na mgbe ọ ya enweta onwe ya a week ọma na abago na business.
I got him. Ndi Igbo, okay, put it on there. Go off to straight up.